In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Grammarly cookie in just 5 minutes. So if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Google Chrome on your computer. If you don't have it installed, make sure to download and install it first. Once you're all set with Chrome, navigate to Grammarly's website and log into your account using your credentials. This step is crucial because you'll need to be logged in to access the necessary cookies. With that out of the way, our next step involves opening the developer tools in Chrome. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this. If you're on a Windows PC, you can simply press the F12 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I. For those of you using a Mac, press CMD+Option+I. This will bring up the Developer Tools window, which is an incredibly useful feature when you need to view and manipulate web page source code and data. Once you have the Developer Tools open, you're going to want to locate the Application tab. You'll find this tab at the top of the Developer Tools window, nestled among other tabs like Elements, Console, and Sources. Click on the Application tab to open it up. This tab gives you access to all the resources, including cookies used by the web page you are currently viewing. Now that you're in the Application tab, take a glance at the sidebar on the left. Within this sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Cookies. Click on the small arrow next to it to expand the options. Once expanded, you should see a list of domains, including one for Grammarly. Find and select the domain labeled https://grammarly.com. By doing so, you'll be able to view all the cookies stored by Grammarly in your browser for the current session. Finally, you can view or copy your own cookies from this list. This list contains various pieces of information sent by Grammarly to your browser, including authentication details and preferences. Depending on what you need these cookies for, you can either choose to view them in detail or copy them for further use. Remember to handle this data responsibly and ensure you're in compliance with any relevant privacy and data protection laws. And there you have it. Within just a few steps, you've learned how to access and copy your Grammarly cookies using Google Chrome. It's a quick and easy process, but as always, be cautious with how you use these cookies. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials. Until next time.